Happy Thanksgiving. It's Thanksgiving technically. It's Thursday morning, Wednesday night. Happy Thanksgiving to you. Sorry I haven't gotten other videos out. I have just been getting so much feedback on the sneakerbot. It's going through betas. Lots of people are testing. It's progressing quickly according to the people who are used to these sorts of things, who test them and play with them. Got some more minor tweaks to do, some UI tweaks to do, a few more carts to finish, but generally speaking, it's as it says, it's an all-in-one bot, all-in-one piece of program. So I'm adding more and more features as I get through the carting aspect of it and the checkouts. More and more feedback from beta testers, and I'm pretty much done with beta testers. I am going to do a limited drop of this program, of this sneakerbot, and it's going to be a limited drop. So if you're interested and you want to do a limited drop or a limited release of it and want to be part of it, queue up now. If you want, I've got a PayPal link out if you want to be, if you really want to be there and be sure that you're in the first, I can send you a link to the PayPal link, and you can, drop in drop in a payment, and I won't start the clock on that sucker until I've gotten at least another couple more weeks. So if you want to make sure you're in line, now's the time to do it. Anyway, with that being said, the bot's programming coming along nicely. Sleep is not not something I'm getting a lot of, because I'm just being inundated with great ideas from people, a great Discord community that's being set up, lots and lots of good stuff. But we are going to just have a limited release to start with. If you want to be part, those slots, now's the time to either step up and, you can prepay and be definitely part of the slot, or just, contact me and let me know. But the bot's doing good, lots of good stuff. Blowing through lots and lots of things. It's doing really, really good. So thought I'd share. Happy Thanksgiving with you. Happy Thanksgiving with you. Happy Thanksgiving to you. Hey, I'm going to put up the icon probably at the beginning of this, so you can see what the icon is. We have a Twitter account. You can go check it out. Sneaker Ninja Bot on Twitter. Sneaker Ninja Bot on Twitter. Go check that out. Like I said, if you want to be part of the very limited release, and it's going to be a small release, now's the time to step in. Take care. Talk to you later. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye-bye.